Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by getting the essential tools: a CR2032 3V battery and a small flathead or coin. Insert a coin into the seam at the key end and gently twist to pry the two halves. Do this slowly to avoid snapping the plastic. Once the halves separate, make sure to observe how the circuit board sits and where the buttons rest, because you will replace parts in that exact orientation. This prevents misalignment when reassembling. Now continue by lifting the battery straight out with a plastic pick. Metal tools can short the contacts, so avoid them. Place the new CR2032 with the plus sign facing the marked side. This ensures proper polarity and prevents damage. Once seated, align the circuit board, and any foam or silicone button pads back into their grooves. Proper alignment guarantees button travel and signal transmission. Then press the halves together until you hear the snap. This secures the seal and keeps out moisture. Finish by testing the fob at about 3 to 5 feet. Press lock, unlock, and if equipped, remote start or trunk buttons. If nothing happens, make sure the battery polarity is correct, then reseat the battery and circuit board. Additionally, clean the contact pads with a small amount of isopropyl on a cotton swab to remove corrosion. If it still fails, check the emergency key switch or consult a dealer, because a damaged transmitter or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.